What is this?
I don't know. It does barely fit on camera. Again, I don't want to touch it.
So this is actually a model that Doug picked up from here in 1955.
I can't remember. You did write the spiel.
I did. And so this is the original kit that he picked up from Hearns Hobbies.
Yeah.
It wasn't from here because Hearns wasn't here at that time.
In the vaults.
It was down the vaults, down the back end.
And that's only like 200 meters away.
That's right, not far. But he's had this since he was 16. And he got this because at the Nationals in Traralgon, he was watching the Hearns brothers fly their free flight. And the free flight, well, you don't have any control, but they full on lost control of it and just kept going. And so they were going to let it go, but he ran after it like a trooper. 16-year-old just ran after it for a couple of miles, and he found it. And he brought it back, gave it to the Hearns brothers, and they said, well, you better come to the shop and pick something up.
And they gave him a kit.
They gave him a kit.
They gave him his very own kit.
Yep.
And this is the same kit.
That's
and
the same kit.
He's flown this for years.
He has.
He did fly it. He's recovered it, he said, a couple of times.
Yep.
Obviously, it hasn't flown for in excess of 20, 30 years.
Yep. So it's been in storage. So, you know, that's why the covering's looking a bit secondhand.
But I think it is all handmade from a Hearns kit.
That's right.
And so we've actually got the original plans and designs.
Plans as well.
And it's not photocopied. That's the original on the paper that it was printed.
So this is 66 years old. So it's come back home, and we're going to pop that on display.
So it's not like he wanted warranty or his money back.
No, not at all. So it comes with his engine that he used as well. And this is a control line plane.
What's the glow plugs back then? Just a light bulb.
Well, that's pretty much what they are now. It's just a filament in them.
Yeah, but the filament was quite technical now. I suppose it was.
Well, they would have used the same sort of tungsten, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, would have been like a
pretty cool. It is missing the exhaust, I can see. Why has it got this thing? What does that do?
That's a needle valve.
A needle valve.
Yeah. So that's extended so you don't chop yourself. So you can bend it like this.
Yeah.
And adjust it while it's going.
What do you adjust on it?
The fuel mixture.
Oh, okay. Yes, of course.
Yeah. Because these are full throttle. You see, it's got no carby.
No carby.
Open. That's full 100% revs.
It's much like the nitro buggies I saw. Paul Pollock was like that when I saw him in the nitro truggy. Oh my god! Yeah, just full noise. I think his throttle might have been broken too.
So there's a little tube to the fuel tank, and they used to use a little syringe thing for refueling them.
Oh, is that how they filled them?
How good is it?
I'm not sure.
Amazing for 66 years. And thank you very much, Doug, for bringing it down. Doug's actually from Sydney, so drove down, brought it in.
The wheels are a bit crusty.
Yeah. Second hand.
What am I going to do here?
Yep. Just pop it down on the floor to be fine. So with that, because Hearns was famous for control line in its early days. I mean, in the 40s and the 50s, that was the thing to do.
There was no radio control.
No, that's right. So build wooden kits, even scratch build them, cover them up, and then you can either free fly them, or you can use control line, which would be with a couple
What's free flight?
Free flight is you fire up the engine and you launch it.
And then what?
And then it keeps going until it runs out of fuel, I guess.
With no control?
No control. So I'm not actually sure what they did. I don't know if it was a distance thing or a time thing.
So you just throw it like a motorized javelin?
Yeah, it's like a glider.
And I hope it didn't go into the, going full noise?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Because I always used to make pulse jets too. I used to stick pulse jets on them.
Yeah?
Yeah. And they're just full noise. And you just let them go, type of thing. Off it goes.
They did what?
You heard me. I'm going to repeat myself.
All right.
But if you want to have a bit of a taste of that sort of style of
yesteryear.
That's right. Very classical model building. You can still get Guillows kits. And Guillows are made in the US.
Yeah.
And they're laser cut now. In the old days, it just used to be a box of wood. And then you got the plans, and you'll have to trace out those plans on the wood and cut out each single piece.
Whittle it out.
That's right. But these days, it's a bit simpler. So it's still a bit of work to do, a bit of woodworking, but it'll be similar type of thing. Full wooden frame.
And that would include, does that include cover as well?
It may come with some tissue. Don't know if these come with tissue. Some others do.
It's a Beaver. Is that because it goes in water?
Maybe. So this one's got the rubber band included.
Oh, that's good.
If you want to be really clever, you could put in a little tiny electric motor or in the older days, they used to put little petrol motors in them.
Really?
Peewees. So this one does not come with covering material. Oh, hang on. No, it does. Covering tissue right there underneath that mark. So all you need would be the glue, some basic tools.
So what you're saying is
some
you're gonna build one of these on camera. Is that what you just said?
I didn't say that.
And then fly it.
How did you get that out of that? I was just describing a kit. So this will have full-size planes in it as well. So very old school, fundamental building. So Guillows kits. This is sort of medium size. You can get smaller ones, and you can get bigger ones.
Make a great gift, I suppose, wouldn't it?
Oh, for sure.
For somebody looking for a project.
Yes. See, laser cut.
Laser cut.
Yeah.
Really, I mean, most of the planes that we sell out of Hearns, they're all foamies.
Yeah.
Ready to fly.
Yeah, they're a very modern
thing. And that gives you the instant gratification. Electric powered, lipo powered, most of them.
And they're tougher too.
Super tough.
Yeah.
I went flying once.
I heard.
It was good. It was good.
Came back in one piece too.
It did come back in one. It's hanging in the shop actually. It scared me.
It's very tiny though.
I am a bit rattled.